Alright, this is 6 of 6. I know the sun's on it right now. On the side it'd be better, but we got the Armor Shield ceramic coating on there. That's my favorite. That's one of my favorite ones I like out of all the ceramics. And I like how, the reason why I like it is because how well it darkens up my vehicle. The paint, I love how it goes on, how easy it is, how good it makes it look. But this is it, ceramic coated. Done deal. Looks good. Tomorrow you're gonna do all my glass. Put a topper on it. And it is awesome. So this thing will be finished. It came out nice. Super, super nice. It looks like a sheet of glass, the whole thing. I mean, it just looks extremely good. Tires have been coated, bumper, everything's been done. The wheels themselves, the tires, everything, this whole thing is coated. I mean, look at that. You can't ask for better than that. It just came out awesome. Which the sun wasn't beating on the back of it, but I'll do another one tomorrow when the sun's not beating on it, and you'll be able to see how good it looks too. But it looks awesome, top to bottom. That's it. That's the last one out the series. I did 6 of these all together. This is number 6. Let me get one good one. I know that pole's in the way, but I'm gonna try to get the whole Durango in there. And that is a 2015 Durango, so, but it's awesome. I love it, man.